So guys, it's your boy Mike with another video. So today we got some speed engineering parts for the Camaro. I already unwrapped it. As you can see, I already unboxed the stuff. I couldn't wait to go inside and get the camera or whatever. I was mainly waiting on this piece. I got it about a week ago or whatever. I didn't think I was gonna need these, but I didn't want to ghetto rig it or anything like that, so I decided to wait and just went ahead and ordered those, and they came in today. It took about, I want to say 3 days to get here. So yeah, I should have went ahead and ordered them when I got those right there, but like I said, I didn't think I was gonna need them, and then I was just like, oh, I'm gonna have a pretty big gap. So anyways, enough talking, let's go right here. We got the mid pipes. So like I said, I was gonna have a pretty big gap from the header to the stock exhaust. It's actually supposed to go this way. Yeah, I was gonna have a pretty big gap. I didn't want to go to a shop and have one welded. I want everything to be bolt on, just in case I need to remove it at some point for any little thing that I got to do or whatever. You just never know. So yeah, so I got 2 mid pipes right here, and right here. Yes, sir. They got some gaskets. We got the metal kinds, and then we got the paper style ones. I use these. I never used these before. I don't think I'm gonna use them. I might. I mean, I don't know. These I've used them before. I had them on my LT1. I had the same speed engineering long tube headers on the LT1. And I never had any issues with these. People say that they've been having issues with these, that they leak, blah, blah, all this stuff. I don't know. I never had that issue. I went back down to just recheck them after, what, about 150 miles or so. And no leaks, nothing. The bolts were still tight. So, and I even used their hardware that they provide with it. So, I think I'm just going to do the same thing with my Camaro. I was going to go get new hardware, but, I mean, I think I'll just mess with these for now. So anyways, there we go right here, boy. So we got some long tube headers, inch and 1/7/8, the inch and 7/8, my bad. Inch and 1/7/8. But yeah, so they're pretty good quality for what they are. Like the welds right there and everything, like everything's like legit on these, you know. Yeah, they are cheap. You know what I'm saying? They are a cheap header, but at the same time, it's the best bang for your buck. And when you got a car note like what I got, you're going to have to go for your best bang of the buck. I've had the car almost a year now, and I'm tired of being the slowest. So I definitely had to make a move. And I'm going to be installing these today, I hope, if my homeboy answers today, which I hope he does. Noel, I hope you're watching this. I hope you answer. So yeah, I'm going to be installing these. This is the driver's side. And of course, that's the passenger side. I'm pretty sure you guys don't have to see what that looks. But other than that, I mean, you know, the quality is actually pretty good for what it is, to tell you the truth. Like I said, I had them on my L21, and that thing, man, it sounded pretty good with the stock muffler. And I took off the stock muffler and I left it open wide pipe, because on that one I bought long tube headers with the wide pipe. And I chopped off the muffler after a while, because it sounded pretty good when I first got the headers on there, and after a while, you know, you just kind of get used to it, and you just want to, I want a little bit louder. So I went ahead and chopped off the muffler and left it up pretty much a straight pipe from the white pipe, and that thing screams, man. Oh damn, that fucker screams. So hopefully we're gonna be seeing more videos on that LT1 also, because my nephew's gonna get it rebuilt. So I believe his oil pump took a crap on him, so we're just gonna go ahead and rebuild the whole thing anyways. You know, it was sounding like something was gouging up in there. Something was scraping for sure. So I'm pretty sure something messed up in the cylinder walls, and it probably spun a bearing or something. So it happens. Don't worry about that pop, guys. It was just some stupid ass, some idiot left the fucking water bottle in the car. So, move it over there to the front. Go ahead and get everything loaded in the trunk. I'm gonna grab something to eat right quick. My homeboy's eating right now, you know this too, so. Just gonna load everything in the trunk and get it going. Oh, motherfucker. I'm a clumsy person, so it's all good. She's still pretty dirty. I need to clean her up again. But first, we're gonna install these bad boys, and then we'll go clean her up. Right now we're gonna go get some food and we'll see what it do. Motherfucker. Sheesh. So where we're at right now, I already dropped the O2s. Got the driver's side all dropped down and everything. Just gotta put the header in there. This one I just gotta drop the header and we're good. I was gonna do a play-by-play on this, but there's already plenty of videos on that on YouTube, so I'm not gonna go ahead and do that for you guys. I'm not gonna bore you with that. I'm just gonna keep it short and simple. So next video will be me firing it up. All right, guys, so we're here next day already. After the install, I need to get better clamps, and I need to push this side of the exhaust a little bit in more. It sticks out more, so. But that's all easy stuff. I just need to get better clamps because I don't like the clamps that Speed Engineering sends. I didn't like them when I had them on the well, technically Trans Am, it's a Formula, but yeah. So I just gotta get some better band clamps. It'll be all right. So for now, I'm just gonna take it easy, no hard pulls or nothing like that. Maybe one or two. I just don't want the exhaust to fall or something. But I really don't think it will, tell you the truth. But I just gonna be on the safe side. I got video of it yesterday, or at least I thought I got video of it yesterday when I was driving home from my friend's house, although on the east side of Vegas, and my GoPro had died on me, so I think I only got like 5 seconds of video, and then it died on me. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna give you guys a cold start. Again, this is just long tube headers, mid pipes, stock, pretty much. It's like a stock H pipe that comes with this, pretty much. All that stuff is stock. The only thing that's replaced is where the resonators were at, and then the muffler deletes. So yeah, it sounds pretty good actually with just the stock piping that it has. You know, I didn't go full 3-inch all the way back. I think this actually sounds pretty good the way it is. It has its own tone, you know. Everybody goes at the 3-inch exhaust. I know it's, you know, flows better, all that stuff, but I don't know. I kind of like the way it feels, to tell you the truth. I did one go pull yesterday, and Jesus, it pulls hard. It pulls pretty damn good, actually, to tell you the truth. It feels like I have another car again. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for you guys. Yes. You know, it quiets down once it idles down and everything. So I mean, startup is pretty damn loud though. Yes, I do have a check engine light for the O2s, for the rear O2s. I knew it was gonna come on as soon as I went into a wide open throttle pool, and it, you know, obviously the loop closes up. So yeah, I knew that was gonna pop up. And like the whole drive home from the east side all the way back to the west side of Vegas, it wasn't on. So I stopped to get some tacos, and then I was doing the tacos, and you know, people were watching me and everything. I was like, oh, I gotta do a pull now. So I went ahead and did a first to second gear pull, and that's when the the check engine light came on, so I already knew it was for the O2 sensors. So it's fine. I'm gonna be getting a tune here pretty soon, so you guys stay on the lookout for that. I don't know if I'm gonna throw it into this video. I might match it up with that. I don't know, but yeah. So other than that, I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. To tell you the truth, it sounds good. It sounds real good. So. Yeah, that was about 4,500 RPMs or so. Oh yeah, very impressed with this speed engineering and the LS3s. It sounds pretty damn good. Smell that exhaust. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.